All right, good morning, fifth graders. So we are going to talk about today real life situations when looking at a coordinate grid. So here is going to be our first coordinate grid that we are going to look at. So it says this graph is showing the time and the distance are our two X and Y axis variables. And our title is high speed train travel. So what we're going to do first is we are going to plot our points. So my first point right here is A. So I'm going over 5 and I'm going up 20. All right, my next point that I have is B. And I am going over 10 and up 40. My third point that I have is C, and I am going over 15 and I am going up 60. And my last point that I have is point D, and it's a huge jump that we're doing. It's way up here. I am going over 35 and up to 130. All right, so we plotted our points, we looked at those things. Now we are going to look at a question we could ask. So I want you to look at this information right here and I want you to say, what question could I ask in life? Pause and do so. So the question I came up with was, what happens as time increases? So as time keeps going here, going here, going here, what is happening to our other variable that we have? So my answer is that as time is increasing, so is the distance of travel. And you might say, yeah, duh, Miss Medkey, we know that that's what's happening because as we move somewhere, we're also going a farther distance away. But we are putting this into real life situations that we have right now. So you are going to today look at some other real life situations and come up with those questions you could ask by looking at data and looking at our different variables that we are working with.